Hello everyone, this is me again. Welcome to my channel, Chef Arnoldo Recipes. If you know, it's the first time you will be looking to my videos. I'm uploading like some videos about recipes, and this time I'm going to prepare a special tea with a fresh ginger ale for supporting our system. Like right now, we gotta take care of ourselves, like to improve, to be as strong as much we can. So right now I'm going to prepare this amazing ginger tea. We cut in pieces like this, like in pieces or in cubes, dices, wherever you want to call. We cut like 3 pieces of I'm sorry. Got a bit that size, not too big. Peel it, and we cut it this way. So right now it's already, it is already done. We're going to prepare the water. So we turn the stove, about 2 cups of water. It can be regular water from your bar or from your filter. We put it in and we let it boil like about 2-3 minutes. We're going to prepare the cup, a small strainer, and this kind of tea is very natural, very flavored, and you will enjoy it. You can do it at home. You can give it to your child, especially in these days. We're at home, we gotta take care of ourselves, and we gotta eat very healthy stuff as much we can, like to be healthy and resist from this kind of virus is going around right now. But let's do it. It is start boiling right now. We prepare some honey. At the very end we add like a tablespoon of honey. That's it. So natural. It's kind of spicy a little bit, but the spicy comes from the ginger, like in the throat, but that supports ourselves very well. So it is going to be ready almost. You can put a water ahead in your little pot. You can boil it a little bit before you start cutting your ginger, and you add it, and you make sure when it is boiling, like as much as the ginger can stay in the water, like to simmer very well, and like to be very concentrated, like a regular tea, but you let a little bit more longer because this is a fresh stuff. It's not like the one you buy like dry already in the little bags and you put it into the cup directly. But in this case, like you see, it is boiling. We let it another minute, and from there we take it away, and you see we simmer. And then you add 1 tablespoon of honey, and then mix it very well. You can enjoy hot, or you can let it cold a little bit, but to me I like it this way. I can smell the natural ginger inside. So I will take it, and to me it is amazing. Really enjoyable. Thank you for following me again. Subscribe to my channel, give me thumbs up, and I'm hoping to see you again.